One of the things I wanted to do when I started this channel was to log my field notes on video and share it so that you can learn how to observe nature so you can be better at growing food. I want people to learn how to be natural farmers so they can use the power of nature. Today is July 1st, 2025. I'm in the high desert, about 5,000 feet, just a little shy of that. And I'm in with some pecan trees. It's been a severe drought, but right now we've gotten a few sprinkles of rain. When I was here last year, I saw the same thing. Let's look at the pecan trees and see if you can see what I'm talking about. These trees are flood irrigated, and so they get water. There's a well here, so they're not dying of the drought, and they get regular water. But when it rains, something different happens, and you get these green flush, what I would call a spring flush of growth. And that's not really necessary when you're trying to grow nuts. Let's see if we can see some nut clusters forming. What would you do if you were using the nutritive cycle and giving FPJ, fermented plant juice? This is the system we use in Korean natural farming to stimulate growth. You want the nuts to develop because you've only got one crop a year, but it's got this spring flush. You don't want to promote the spring flush. You want to promote the nuts. The nuts are in a green fruit stage. They've formed, but they're not that size yet. They've obviously been pollinated. So I would give this a green fruit formula and ignore that spring growth. This is the privet hedge I used to make an FPJ with at the start of winter. I can see why you didn't notice it in the summer. As a source for FPJ, there's not a lot here. Here's a spin of the garden, some flowers. Tomatoes just starting to form. Here's the sycamore tree. It's fully leafed out, but I've noticed the last few days some of the leaves are turning yellow from the heat of the summer, maybe. July 1st, so that could be it.